so I know it's been a really long time since I've done a video where I'm actually talking. I feel like in the past few months I've been in kind of like a transition mode between college and now professional life. So today I have a thrifting haul video for you. I'm super excited about this haul because I feel like I've collected a lot of different items. So I'm going to start with the items that I thrifted when I went to Portland a couple of weeks ago. And the first one is this Adidas jacket. It's just really classic. I love that it's windbreaker material and fit in terms of like it's loose, and I just feel like it's breathable. I don't know if that's the right way to say it, but that's how I feel. And on the back it has this really cute pattern for the logo, and honestly I'm not a pattern person. I wasn't super keen on this when I first saw it, but I think now it's grown on me and it does really look good with the jacket as a whole. This retailed for $23, which is pretty expensive for a thrift store, but I do recognize that Adidas is really trendy right now, and honestly it's a nice jacket and I just feel like it fits me really well. So for the next item, it is another Adidas jacket, but it's a different type of fit. I wouldn't call it a windbreaker type of jacket. It's definitely more of a track jacket, and this is what it looks like. I am super in love with this color scheme. When I was in Portland and I was holding the two jackets up, I actually really like this one more just because it's more so along the lines of my color palette, and I just feel like it has a more chic look to it than the other jacket, which is a little bit more sporty, which is why I ended up getting both, because I felt like I could wear them for different things. I feel like this one's a little bit more versatile than the other one. So for my third item that I got at Buffalo Exchange, it is this skirt. Sorry, it kind of blends in with the background. I saw this skirt on a mannequin in the store window and I just knew I had to have it. I love that it's asymmetrical just because I feel like it adds a fun piece to a otherwise just like a pretty straightforward article of clothing. And the material of the skirt is really thick, which I actually really like because then I don't have to worry about panty lines showing. The skirt was also $15, which isn't bad at all. And I haven't worn it yet just because I'm kind of waiting for the right time to wear it, but I imagine that I'd wear this at some kind of Christmas party since the holiday season is coming up. And then so for my last item, I can't find it right now. I think I left it in my boyfriend's car. It is a midi coat that I got from Buffalo Exchange. I almost didn't buy it because a lot of my friends were saying it looks almost exactly like the coat that you are wearing right now while I was shopping, but the coat that I'm wearing, it was like, it hits me more so at the thigh, and whereas this coat is a little bit more long, it's more chic. I felt like they were just two totally different looks, and honestly I am so glad that I bought this coat because I've worn it so much more than the coat that I was wearing while I was buying it. Even though I was kind of scared because I live in Southern California, you know, it doesn't really get too cold here, but I just really love this jacket and I feel like it goes with any outfit. I was home from the majority of the week to see my family back in the Bay Area, and while I was in the Bay, I of course did some thrifting just because I haven't really taken the time to check out the thrift stores here in Southern California, and the ones that I have checked out haven't really wowed me. So whenever I'm home, I try to make it a point to go thrifting. So I went to our local thrift store that I go to every single time that I'm at home, and honestly it's so cheap. For my first item, I got this denim skirt. I've actually really have been looking for a denim skirt for ever since like middle of summer, but every time I bought one from a store, it just didn't fit me right. Like, it's really hard being proportional, and this one actually fits me almost perfectly. Like, I would say it's a little bit loose on my waist, but I love the length of the skirt because I'm not paranoid about it being too short. I love that my butt and my legs don't feel confined to the skirt, and I think it will be a really good thing to add to my closet this winter just because denim will keep you warm. And also the skirt is from Topshop, so I know that it's really good quality, and then to get it for only $5 made me super happy. I love the way their clothes smell. So for my next item, I got this blazer. I've been really digging the blazer trend actually. When I first saw it, I didn't think that I would like it, only because I felt like I just didn't think I could pull off a blazer, but I decided to give it a try since I was at a thrift store. And I was looking at one on Topshop for like $100, and I was literally watching it for a whole month, hoping that by the time Black Friday comes, there would be a really big sale and I would buy it. Literally the Wednesday before Thanksgiving, it's sold out, and I was really sad. It's a little bit more fitted than I wanted, but I really like the pattern of this blazer. I feel like type of pattern is really in right now, and it's also just really easy to pair up with anything that you wear underneath, especially because my palette is so neutral. I'm not entirely sure how often I will wear this blazer, but I'm hoping that with it I will learn to kind of stylize it more. And it was only $5 as well. I think it might have been a little bit more than that. And then I picked up just a basic white turtleneck. I've been wanting more turtlenecks. I love turtlenecks. But the only ones I have are gray and black. I've been holding off buying them from any stores just because I knew I can get it for really cheap at a thrift store, and this was only $2.50. It fits me well. It's a little bit tighter fit, which is exactly what I wanted, because I wanted something that was really snug on my body that I could layer up and wear underneath other things. There's not much to say about it, but just that it'll be a great staple in my closet. So for my last item at Eco Thrift, I'm actually the most excited about this item because it is these pair of shoes. I own a pair of shoes really similar to this, but it is nude and pink, and then so I wear it literally all the time. I love how versatile they are, and then so to find a pair in black, I was so excited. This was only, again, this was only $5. Everything I bought from Eco Thrift was like around $5, so my total ended up being less than $20, which is crazy, which is why I love thrifting, because I was able to find such cute things for so cheap. So yeah, I'm just super excited about this. Like, I'm talking really fast because I'm so excited. Yeah, they say they're size 5, but I'm a 6.5, and I think it fits me perfectly. And if you look at the bottom of the shoes, it almost looks like they were unworn. Okay, for my last item of this haul, when I came back to SoCal, I went thrifting for a little bit with my boyfriend. The only thing I picked up was these pants, these shorts. I really like the band of these shorts. Like, if you can see it here. It just looks really retro, and it looks really 90s. My boyfriend said that a good rule of thumb is that if you can imagine somebody wearing it in the 90s, then it's stylish now, which is so true. I just love how simple these look. Like, they're really easy to wear. I can imagine wearing these when I go out or just casually when I'm hanging out with people. And the only thing I have to say about these shorts is that they run a little bit long, and not that I have to wear booty shorts, but just because I am short and my legs are short, proportions are really important. So I'm thinking about shortening this just like maybe an inch. This is only $3, and it's from New York & Company. Everything I bought that wasn't from Buffalo Exchange was so cheap. So that concludes my thrift haul for today, and those were all of the items that I've thrifted in November. So let me know how you guys like this video, and also which item was your favorite, and then I'll see you guys next time. Bye!